As per IMD's latest update, cyclone Nisarg, which was formed in Arabian Sea, is likely to make a landfall close to Alibag area in Maharashtra's Raigad district at around 2:30 p.m. on 3rd of June, which is today. Keeping the cyclone warnings in place, there are several preparations which are being done in the state of Maharashtra. NDRF teams are deployed in various parts of Maharashtra. There are around 20 NDRF teams right now in Maharashtra. 15 are from Maharashtra, 5 are called from Vijayawada. Around 7 regions are under the red alert warning. Red alert warning means extremely heavy rainfall is likely to take place in isolated parts of these regions. Now the regions which are under the red alert warning are Palghar, Mumbai, Thane, Raigad, Nashik, Nandurbar and Dhule region of Maharashtra for 3rd of June. Talking about the situation in Raigad, as the cyclone is likely to make a landfall in near Alibag area of Raigad, special preparations are done in that area. There are around 62 villages on the coastal line of Raigad, where near Alibag area of Raigad, where the landfall is expected, and around 1.71 lakh people live in all these 62 villages. Now talking about the tehsils which are going to be mostly impacted in Raigad area includes Uran, Pain, and specifically Alibag area. Now talking about the evacuation, around 10,000 people were evacuated from Raigad district by last night itself. These people are 5,000 of them are actually shifted to shelter houses, and rest 5,000 are shifted to the pakka makans of their relatives, community leaders or neighbors. So those who are living in kacha makans near the coastal line, those are the one who are evacuated. Talking about other evacuation, other places in Palghar area, because after Raigad, Palghar is also under red alert. In Palghar area also evacuation process started last evening, and around 40 to 45,000 people will be accommodated in 86 shelter houses identified by the district administration. Now talking about these places, government structures, government school buildings, Gram Panchayat Bhavans, other strong structures will be acting as shelter houses. Apart from that, there are special warnings in Mumbai as well, because Mumbai is also going to witness the impact of this cyclone, which is likely to convert into a severe cyclonic storm. So talking about Mumbai, in Mumbai also various warnings are issued. In fact, Mumbai police in an order yesterday under 144 of CRPC mentioned that how no one will be allowed at any public place, including parks, beaches, coastal line areas, promenade for any purpose. Anybody who will be violating this particular order will be booked. So these are some of the preparations which are done. In fact, for Mumbai, BMC has actually issued a list of do's and don'ts. People are advised to not to step outside. Apart from that, in fact, IMD has said, talking about the damage that some areas might witness, power and communication line disconnection as well. As of now, Maharashtra state has claimed that the state is all set to deal with the cyclone. IMD's latest update says that by 2:30 p.m. on 3rd of June, which is today, the cyclone is likely to make a landfall. In Raigad, with camera person Sahil Suresh, this is Santya for Mirror Now.